In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling the on-screen keyboard on your HP desktop, tablet, or laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then directing your attention over to the right, scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. Where it says on-screen keyboard, you can toggle it on just by clicking in that little oval to turn it on, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.